Hi friends, my name is Vinay Kumar. Now I am going to explain how to perform CRUD operation using AngularJS code. This is not interacting with the database, it is only static application, right? So this is our requirement. This are the table details. In this we have this edit and delete button for this particular record. When we click on edit delete button, we need to a confirmation here. Okay, after clicking this edit button, we have to change this. Then after save it, it will be updated. So this is delete and update. Okay, we need to add another field here. This is another field. I am providing Java here. What's the contact? Just I am providing contact here. Add it. Yeah, it will be added. It will be added by order, within order. So this is the requirement to develop a code to perform CRUD operation. Okay, now we are going to this WebStorm IDE. We have this CRUD app project. In this we have this index.html. So in this we declare that AngularJS. When you are developing an AngularJS application, you need to use this Angular.js file. This is the app.js, our user defined JavaScript file. This is app.css, our CSS file. These three statements for developing Bootstrap functionality. Okay, Bootstrap functionality. In this body, I am declaring ng my app. This ng controller as my controller. This is the header. Okay, this is the my app is a module name. Okay, and this my controller is the controller name. In this controller, I have write this student details object. In this object, we have this fields ID, name, course, and contact. We have these 5 records. This function is already predefined, so we need to override and write some functionality here. This functionality means by taking this ID, particular ID, it will give the exact row of that ID. This is the functionality of getSelectedListen function. Okay, yeah. Now I need to access this information, this whole information in my HTML page within the table. So for that, I am using the table tag here. This is the table tag. In that table, just I am declaring table row. In this table row, I have table heading. So this table heading, right? This ID. This what name. Similarly, I am using course for course, right? And this is for contact. And we have to take another one for putting buttons. What's the button here? Edit or delete button. Okay, this is one row, and we need to write another table row. In this row, just we are repeating that whole object by using ng repeat directive. So in this directive, I am using one variable. Student is a variable. Within the student, I am storing the data of student details. Okay, this student details data stored into that particular student variable. So now I am writing this table heading here. By using this expression, I am getting the particular ID of the table. Okay. Similarly, I am taking all the this is what, and this for ID, or this for fourth and this for contact, right? Yeah, we are getting the 4 fields here, so we need to run this application. Okay, this is my application. Need to run. We are getting like this. Okay, this is the data we are getting. Okay, for this I need to create one button, 2 buttons. Which button it is? The button class. So I am creating edit, delete button. Okay, so this is delete button. In this button I am using the class of Bootstrap, right? Bootstrap provided beacon is the class. Just view here. This is the table. I need to use this table class. What is the table name in Bootstrap? Table. Just using this table as border. This button also we are putting some color, so this danger button, right? That I'm putting. Yeah, this is the button. Here we are not getting any data here, so for that what happened here? A student in student. Okay, yeah, we have this table, so in that we have delete button. So for that actually I need to write within the division. So I provided this 2 and close this division. So refresh, and I'm providing this CSS. Okay, this is the CSS. I already wrote this. Okay, this is the delete button. When we click on this delete button, we need to delete whole row. Okay, whole record. So okay, when we click on this, I need to call one function. ngClick is a directive. In this directive I am calling remove student. Okay, remove student is the function. In this function I am passing the particular ID, student dot. Okay, student dot ID. So in the app.js I need to create one function. What is the function in here? $hook dot student. $hook dot remove student, right? Is the function. So in this function I read this ID by using ID variable. Any name you need to provide. Yeah, in that I am using one variable. What variable? Any name, index. I am providing index. So in this index, just I am calling the get selected index. I am passing the ID here. When we get that particular row of what? Student details, right? When we will get in the particular row of student details, we need to call the splice method. Splice method provided by AngularJS. In this AngularJS, splice method is working as deleting the particular row. So in this I am providing the index. Okay. Yeah. This is the way to write the function. Okay. Now you can refresh. Already call this when you click on it, right? Yeah. Look at here. 1 2 6. It will when we click on this delete button, it will automatically delete it, right? So I need to provide some confirmation here. For that, I am providing one result variable here. In this result, I am storing the confirmation message. I am providing, are you sure? Okay. Are you sure this for delete operation? Yeah, if you show this result, when we click on OK, the result will be true. If the result equals to true, then we can execute this. Okay. Now we can run this. When we click on 1 2 3 will be deleted. I am clicking 1 2 0 here. 1 2 0 will be deleted. Okay, this is the delete operation. Okay, now I am adding one more button here. Which button? I am adding another button here. Okay, another button. In this button, this is what just edit. Okay. This is not a danger, this is warning. And change this function name as edit and copy this. Okay. Yeah, you can use this edit button. So when we click on edit, we are getting those information, particular record into this input field, and after that we need to save that updated record. Okay, this is the functionality. So this is only in this part I am telling about only delete operation. In my next video I will develop the code for edit and add, and another one is last one is save, right? So edit, add and save the updated record. So that will look like this. Okay, in my next video I will complete this total CRUD operation using AngularJS. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. You need to watch my next video part 2, right? Yes.